Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdo, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian's Bahia received the award for the Education Private School segment. The recognition trophy was received by our General Director, Father Youth Barreto, who was accompanied by Father Jonathan Luero, coordinator of the Pastoral of the Salesian College, Don Bosco. For the 8th time and for the 2nd year in a row, Salesian Bahia were winners of this, which is the largest brand award in the market, which recognizes the most remembered companies by the Bahia consumer. For us Salesians, young people are instruments and sentinels of change of their time. And today we are facing a great ecclesial transition that is leading us towards a faith of conviction. It is not a question of finding people responsible or blaming someone, but of entering a new era with confidence and courage. This is what Father Rosano Sala, a Salesian professor of pastoral theology and youth ministry at the Pontifical Salesian University in Rome, said as he recounted his experiences as Special Secretary of the Synod on Youth of 2018 in his recently published book titled Around the Living Fire of the Synod. Father Biju Michael, the Regional Councillor for South Asia, made his first visit as Regional Councillor to Don Bosco Provincial House, New Delhi on 24th October 2020. The prime reason for his visit was to animate and discern the choice of the provincial for the province of New Delhi. He also visited almost all the communities in the province to meet and encourage the Salesians in their wonderful apostolate. Father Biju Michael was welcomed heartily by the provincial Father Jose Matthew, provincial councillors and members of the provincial house community on 25th October 2020. On 26th October, he visited Don Bosco School at Hanor, Don Bosco School at Jharmari in Punjab and Don Bosco Navjeevan Church at Chandigarh. The regional councillor animated Salesians in group at Jharmari and in Don Bosco Provincial House, Okhla, New Delhi. After leading those gathered in prayer, Father Biju in his animation made everyone aware of the role of provincial from the point of leadership expressed in Old Testament and New Testament. He stated, Christ will hold the provincial uniquely responsible to see to it that all three ministries of priest, prophet and kings are given equal emphasis and effectiveness within the province. He quoted Article 123 of the Constitution to remind everyone present to participate in the most suitable way in the choice of those responsible for government at different levels. He exhorted everyone on behalf of Rector Major to participate without fail. During the month of the Holy Rosary, though the majority of the students of Don Bosco Simbu Technical College are not Catholics, during lunch break, 2 or 3 classes took turns in praying the Rosary in the diocesan shrine of St. John Bosco. After the Rosary, Father Angel Changes gave a short talk on Mama Mary. On 30th October, the DBS CT community capped off the Rosary month with a Rosary rally, school mass and the celebration of the birthday of Principal Father Edwin Genovia. The Feast of Blessed Michael Rua, 20th October 2020, was traditionally celebrated in the post-novitiate community of Vietnam, the traditional academy, on the eve of the feast day and the morning mass. As happens annually, the parents of the first-year post-novices were invited to attend. For many of them, this was the first time to come and stay 2 days in the community, which is located in a famous tourist city, to see how their sons are formed into concentrated individuals in the footsteps of Don Bosco. "20 years after the 2000 AD Jubilee Salesian Missionary Expedition, Father Andrew Trung Tin, 53 years, now a member of the Dharkan community, is one of the more than 100 Vietnamese SDB missionaries. Indeed, since 1999, almost 130 Vietnamese Salesians have been sent as missionaries adjunctees by the Rector Major, and Father Andrew is the first of this lineup of missionaries as a member of the 2000 expedition. After being stranded for 10 months in his native Vietnam due to travel restrictions, a few days ago, Father Andrew was able to return to his beloved Mongolia. Don Bosco College of Agriculture DBCA, Salkarna Department of Horticulture, successfully organized a webinar on Underutilized Fruit Wells of Andaman and Nicobar Islands ANI on the occasion of the World Food Day for 70 students participants on October 16, 2020. The resource person for the webinar was Dr. Pooja Bhora, Senior Scientist, ICAR Division of Horticulture and Forestry, ICAR Central Island Agriculture Research Institute, Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. She spoke about her research on the underutilized fruit wealth of ANI. She encouraged the agricultural graduates to undertake studies on underutilized fruits, especially of Goa, as it falls in the region of the Western Ghats, has vast varieties of underutilized crops like bilimbi, jamun, breadfruits, tisal, karonda, zizipus rugos, chunna, etc., as they may soon become the food of the future, she added. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and on the same channel. Thank you for watching.